In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification and suggestion settings in Grammarly, and specifically what you can and cannot control. Whether you're using Grammarly for work, school, or personal writing, it helps a lot to keep these settings tailored to your preferences, ensuring a smoother, more focused writing experience. So let's dive in and explore how to reduce those suggestions and notifications to what you truly need. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Grammarly account. Open up your preferred browser, navigate to Grammarly's website, and enter your login details to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. From here, look at the top right corner and click on Account. Once you click through, you should see an option labeled Writing. This is where you can check your language settings, update your dictionary preferences, and even adjust how often Grammarly sends you emails. By personalizing these settings, you can make Grammarly work even more efficiently for you. Now, let's move on to customizing the suggestions you see while writing. Go ahead and open any document in the Grammarly editor. Once you're in, keep your eyes peeled for the Menu button. It's usually located in a top or side toolbar, depending on your layout. Click on Menu, then find Editor Settings. This section allows you to toggle off features that you might find distracting. For example, if you're interrupted by the Auto Jump to Next Alert feature or don't want Grammarly check quoted text, simply toggle them off. Adjusting these can streamline your workflow, letting you focus more on the content rather than continually pausing for alerts. If you're a premium or business user, you'll have an additional layer of customization available to you. Head over to the URL, https://account.grammarly.com, Customize Suggestions. Here, you have the power to turn off specific suggestion categories. Whether it's passive voice prompts or something else that doesn't suit your writing style, you have control in this space. Tailoring these options ensures you're only getting suggestions that improve your work rather than cluttering your screen. While those settings give you a good deal of control, some aspects are a little more rigid. At this time, if you're using the free version, there isn't a straightforward way to turn off pop-up notifications related to marketing or premium upgrades. If these get too bothersome, one way around it is to disable or uninstall the Grammarly extension from your browser entirely or turn off the product in your device settings if you prefer no suggestions at all. And there you have it. Now you know how to tailor your Grammarly experience to better suit your writing needs. By managing these settings, you can keep your focus where it belongs, on crafting great content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to optimize your digital writing tools.